Manong Shavit, nung tumakbo po si President Bongbong Marcos noong 2022, sinabi niyo rin later on na hindi malinaw kung na-clear na ba niya ang connection niya sa kay Janet Napoles.
Wala.
Bakit niyo po nasabi ito?
Hindi, nandito nga eh. Wala. Kaya, nung
But you mean hindi
when I
po
decided
na-clear?
to
Oo.
help them,
Yeah, what was the connection you were talking about with respect to Janet Napoles?
well, when I decided to help them, akala ko lilinisin na yung pangalan ng tatay nila. Para maalala lang ating kababayan, gusto ko lang ipaalala, dahil siguradong babanatan na naman ako, might as well. Dapat lilinisin ang pangalan ng tatay nila.
And you're
Nakakaya
showing
po
to
ito.
us
It is
this
record.
Guinness World Record gives
Guinness
Ferdinand
Book of
Marcos
Record.
Sr. Ano po, nakalagay dito, a title for the greatest
The
robbery
greatest
of
robbery
a
of government. Nakakaya po ito. Kaya akala ko lilinisin na nila.